Hello, and welcome to another iCris training video. Today we're going to showcase one of our newest updates, which is the ability to print off or save individual resource records as PDFs. All subscribers will have this feature available to them. Now, this is best optimized for a Google Chrome browser. Okay, so as you can see, I've already navigated to the resource that I'd like to print, and if you've followed along, hopefully you've done the same. And you'll notice that now there is a printer icon that wasn't here before in the upper right hand corner. Let's go ahead and click it once we've checked all of this information and we're ready to print or save. So here you can see all of that information that's in that resource record in iCris is now on one single page, including NRHP evaluation information, property type information, and even the GIS. One thing to say about the GIS portion is that the map automatically zooms to the extent of your GIS polygon. So it's going to zoom all the way in, whether or not you want that. You can play around with it before you print it. You can also change the base maps. So if you wanted something like imagery to pop up, you could hit this icon and pop that up. You could also play around with any layers that you might like to have on your printout. And then if you're doing something like archaeology, you could also change it to USA topographic maps, and it'll include that for you. For now, we'll just zoom in all the way. And then if we continue scrolling down, we can see that if we have multiple shapes, each one will pop up individually here. The districts will also pop up here if the particular resource is associated to one. And the inclusion status and contributing status will also show up. If there are any other versions, they'll show up here. If there are any associated projects, associated surveys, and any resource comments. So in order to actually get this printed, we'll do it like we would any other web page that we intend to print. We're going to right click and hit print. So this will pull up our print preview option. So you can scroll down and make sure everything is formatted correctly. See, we've added page numbers. And you can change any of these settings here just like you would printing any other document. And you can also choose to save it as a PDF if you want a digital copy. So that's what I'll do, but you can also just hit print and then click the save or print button. Name your file. And then there you go. And then you can exit out this tab and go back to your resource and print other ones as needed. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for checking this video out. I hope it's helpful.